Japanese curried rice. A side dish from Japan. Serves 4. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Heat a deep pan and add 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil. Step 2. Sautee the sliced onion over medium heat until it softens. Step 3. Brown the meat separately, and add it to the onion. Step 4. Add water as specified, add a bay leaf, and simmer for 2 hours. Step 5. Then add the potatoes, carrots and mushrooms and continue simmering. When the potatoes and carrots are tender, add the curry roux. 6. Simmer gently for 15 minutes while stirring. Country
Serve with
reports,
rice.
culture, countries, travel.